So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a sharp polygons into a smooth polygon using ArcGIS Pro. So now let's get started. So right now we are currently visualizing this particular polygon. It has a kind of sharp edges. So to convert it into a smooth or a curvy polygons, so like this. So to do that, we're going to specifically use one particular tool to convert the sharp polygon edges into a smooth one. So for that, first we're going to navigate to this option called View. So we're going to click this option called View, and in that I'm going to select this option called Geoprocessing, and a window pop up saying Geoprocessing here. In the search section, I'm going to enter as a smooth polygon. So now I have entered as a smooth polygon. So we have this particular tool. So this is the tool required. So it smoothens the sharp angles in a polygon outline to improve. To improve the cartographic quality. So I'm going to select this particular tool called Smooth Polygon. So you can go through the details about this particular polygon. So you can able to see from this the smooth polygon. So smooths the sharp angles in polygon outline to improve the cartographic quality. So we have two different smoothing algorithms, starting with so the first algorithm is called as a peak, and the second algorithm is called as Bezier interpolation. So you can able to see the two algorithms. Next step in the parameter, in the input feature, I'm going to select the sharp polygon here, and the next step I'm going to select my output feature class. So I'm going to navigate to my output feature class location, so where I could like to save this particular file. So now here I have navigated to my suitable folder location. So here I'm going to mention a smooth polygon. So here I mentioned a smooth polygon final. So I'm going to click OK. And next step is where we have two algorithms, smoothing algorithms. So we have two different algorithms. So one states this is in a polynomial approximation with exponential kernel. A smoothened polygon that will not pass through the input polygon vertices will be calculated, and this is by default. And next is the Bezier interpolation. So Bezier curves will be fitted between the vertices. So the resulting polygon passes through the vertices of the input polygon, and this algorithm does not require a tolerance, and the Bezier curves will be approximated in the output. So I'm going to select this particular algorithm called Bezier interpolation. And last, we have this handling topological errors. So I'm going to leave it as a default. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this code here, and let us visualize the result. So now the tool has run here. So you can able to see the tool has ran. So we have the output called smooth polygon final. So we're going to zoom in here. So you can compare the smooth polygon versus the sharp polygon here. So now we can able to see the difference here. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to apply some symbology to it. So I'm going to right click on this layer. I'm going to right click on this layer, and I'm going to navigate to this option called symbology. And the symbology, I'm going to select the graduated colors, and here we applied the color for this particular one. So here you can able to visualize. So now we have managed to convert a sharp polygon into a smooth polygon using ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.